a seed. It's an apple seed. Take that up. Let's take that up. Let's take that up. No, it's an apple seed. We can't eat the seeds, Mama. Mm-mm. No, it's not yummy anyway. Mm-hmm. Really? I'll turn the light off. Is that better? So what do you think of the apples? Really? Uh-huh. You like it? You do? How was your day? How was your day? Was it good? Did you have fun? You know, we went looking for a store. We got a little bit lost. Yeah, we did. What were your thoughts on that? Please don't put the whole thing in your... Abby, don't put the whole thing in your mouth. You just have a little bitty mouth. Yum. 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 All right. That's good fruit there. Yum. Yum. That's good fruit. I'm happy you like fruit. Okay, let's say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye. All right, bye.